Wait, can you? You can. I don't want to add frenzy. But yeah, I think making the strongest fusion in this game is probably not going to be that bad. It's going to be pretty easy. Capturing is really quick, and money seems to be not much of an actual problem. And you can make the same demon too. You can have two of the same demon, which is kind of nuts. Good. I don't know if the elementals in this game are the whole gimmick of passing over resist force and stuff like that, because I mean, if that's how you can pass over those elements, that's pretty good for a passive, just so you don't get hit by a weakness. But if it also upgrades the demon, that would be pretty good too. But probably not. It's probably just so you can like transfer skills.
ここは金能屋由緒たまあよいわわしは商品あるぞ5000円でと言いそれがありゃ単純な鍵なら探偵が悪さに使うん帰るんじゃな
I also need to waste a bunch of money at the store to get like max customer rank or whatever. So I still have 2 demon slots left over, which is not bad. This one has 3 and it gets electricity later. This one only has 2. One has 3. I want it. Seems like the main